Well, hello there and welcome here to my channel. Today I am here doing a video. As you can see, we got snow today. And when snow comes, we get a lot of feather friends. So, there's a lot on the bird feeders today. Ooh, red card nose. Let me see. There it is right there. There he is, the red card nose. And there's a lot of them eating off the snow too. Off the ground. Wow. It's a good thing I stocked up on feeders because we knew the snowstorm was coming and our feather friends was going to need to eat. So, yeah. I just want to do this video for you guys to show you guys the wildlife and the snow that we got in our town. That they said it was going to be a snowstorm. So, ooh, you can see the red cardinals really good right there. I had to zoom in, so. Anyways, if y'all like these type of videos, I would love to have you. Till the next one, may y'all have yourselves a blessed day. May y'all stay safe out there. May God bless each and every one of you. Bye for now.